Hi there, my name is Jack Fisher. I'm the Global Coordinator for NCDFREE. NCDFREE is a global social startup which aims to communicate and advocate around the topics of non-communicable diseases to the millennial generation. These are the generation of change makers who are, when empowered, will go on to make the meaningful change that we so need to beat NCDs globally. We do this for a whole range of activities, including events such as the Bootcamps, which ultimately aim to not only inspire individuals from a range of health and non-health backgrounds to engage in the topic of NCDs, but actually empowers them with the skills around advocacy, innovative thinking and leadership to go forward and create that meaningful change in the local context.
I think this is the good opportunity for us as the Faculty of Nursing Universitas Indonesia to get involved in NCDFREE, because one of our main business is to educate nurses. When they graduate as a nurse, they can work with the community, they work with patients with non-communicable disease.
NCDFREE Bootcamp, there's a lot of talks about the three tagline: advocacy, innovation, and leadership. I think I learned a lot about what other thing that I need to know as a medical practitioner to do advocacy to the policymaker, how the policy can change a lot of the health outcomes, and what innovation that has been done here, and what sort of thing that I need to know about the innovation to do in healthcare. And the last thing is the leadership that I learned from various and panel discussion. And we also do the pitch thing, and we have a group, and then we practice a lot of ideas and how to present it to audience.
Dengan pertemuan ini kita bisa memberikan informasi dan pemahaman kepada para remaja kita untuk bagaimana harusnya kita bersikap untuk menghadapi penyakit tidak menular ini, supaya Indonesia memiliki generasi yang baik, ya, yang mempunyai daya saing dan tentunya mereka yang sehat-sehat dan produktif.